Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are unboxing the BasicGear 3-foot cast net, Amazon's choice for a cast net. We bought this for $20. We're gonna take it out, cast it out there, and see if we can catch some fish.
We're gonna go on an adventure. Today we're going to go fishing, and today we have a new cast net. Cast net. And Emmett, what do you think of this video?
I would like it.
Okay, thumbs up, everybody, if you like this. Subscribe to our channel and the links down below.
All right, the BasicGear cast net 3-foot. First look. What's this? A free gift. Cast nets and tackle. I don't know what this is. We'll see. Okay, and it comes with a free towel with it. Nice little gift. Yeah, a free towel. This is first look at unraveling the cast net. Okay, you ready? Ooh. It's got a long
Look at me.
long rope. I see it. Not bad. All right, this is my first attempt. Let's try it. You ready? Well, okay. That went sideways. This is a lot harder than it looks. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
You did.
Wait a minute.
You did.
Wait a minute, Porter, look.
Caught something.
Look, Porter, I got one.
A bluegill.
Oh, I got one. Okay, on my second attempt,
We'll have to fill it.
Whoa.
I got a little bluegill on my second attempt with this thing, and it wasn't even a good throw.
Daddy,
Yes.
put it in the bucket.
Okay.
Look what Daddy's got.
Oh, get it, Palmer.
Okay. I can. I can.
No, you can't. Here.
You gonna hold it?
No, okay, here. Good job, Porter.
I'm gonna put it in.
So my second cast of the cast net
What was it?
landed me a bluegill.
What was the bluegill?
Dad's got it.
I put it in.
Yes.
Ow. Ow.
Oh,
Ow.
ouch!
Ow.
Oh, it's on your foot. Oops. There we go. Oh, he was excited. All right, so we already have some success.
It's my
Now we have to practice our technique better.
turn.
All right, this is Porter's first attempt. Oh,
Really good.
I go.
Yeah, hard.
A
Oh,
lot better.
now here, pull it, pull. All right, I see 2 fish down there. You ready? Let's see it, Porter. Oh! Oh!
What'd you get?
What? Look. 2 of them. 2 of them. Look, Palmer, look. Look, Palmer, look. 2 of them. What in the world? This is already
Give me the
paying
big
off.
one. Give me the big one.
Look at this big old one.
Let me get the big one.
What?
Here.
That's called dinner. Oh shoot, get it, Palmer. Oh my word.
Here.
Emmett, get that one, Emmett.
Here. Here.
Wait a minute, Porter. It is on your wrist, buddy.
I'll hold it. Ow. Ow.
Oh, okay, get it. Good job, everybody. Man, I like this.
I like this
I'm liking it already. This is awesome. No bait required.
What do we got, guys?
We'll put in
Whoa. How many's in there now?
3 of them.
3 fish.
There we go, buddy. He got slime on me.
Oh, man.
How can I wipe it off?
What the?
Whoa.
Oh!
Let's wipe it on my
Oh!
I'll show you.
It got on me!
It got on you?
We'll work up.
Oh, look, you!
The stroller, I mean.
Whoa!
Wow, it's splash pop?
Ew, boogers.
Splash pop? Oh.
I'm a beach!
Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm a beach! I'm a beach!
What you got, Em?
Yeah.
Stop!
Look at that monster.
I know.
Oops. Uh-oh, gotta catch it.
Is that the big one? Yeah?
All right.
Yeah,
Put him back in so he doesn't get hot. Good job.
All right, Porter.
It's my turn.
That was a good one, Porter. Pull it. Pull it. Let's see what he got.
It's a big
Pull it hard, Porter.
heavy!
It's heavy.
Yeah. Wow!
Oh.
Hold in.
All right, so the past 2 times we haven't gotten any, so we're throwing in some bread to see if we can attract some fish over here.
And then, like, the minnows are right there.
Yes.
We're important.
Yes. You ready?
See if they can get the minnows.
All right. Press it.
I did.
Okay. There's a bunch of minnows down there. I'm going to try and drop it down right on top of them, okay? You ready?
I
Let's
think
see,
you
let's see,
got
let's see.
some. I think you got some.
Let's see if we got any of them.
See if you got some.
Come on, minnows. Okay, it's at the bottom. Let's try it. You ready? I fell. I tripped. I tripped. Any minnows? Any minnows? Let's see. Let's see. Dang, I don't see any. Crap. I fell too. I feel so hard.
Okay.
All right, Mama's turn.
Hey, ready?
Yep. Let's hit it, Mama. And now pull it. Seaweed.
Seaweed.
Lakeweed.
What we get?
A bluegill.
Ooh.
That's bluegill number 5 for us today with the cast net. All right.
Can you hold that one?
Yeah, put it back in the bucket.
And so this is one of the neighborhood ducks. Emmett has named these ducks Ugly Bad Boy and Ugly Bad Girl. Which one is this one, Porter?
Ugly bad boy. And that's ugly
So
bad girl. Right
this
there.
duck is named Ugly Bad Boy. I think that Ugly Bad Girl, oh, there she comes over there. And here is the other one. This is Ugly Bad Girl. However, I do think that this is a boy and the other one is a girl, but who knows. Hello, Ugly Bad Girl. What are you doing?
Look at that guy over there.
Look at that duck. Number 6.
Yes.
Nice.
Look, Porter, hold
Give
it
him
up.
to
Say
Ash
number
Ash.
6.
Hold him.
Ow, he's pokey.
I know.
Let Emmett have it. There we go.
Emmett, come here. Say number 6.
Number 6.
Wow.
All right, we are releasing all of our fish back into the pond. How many we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
6,
Wait a minute, one more. 7.
7.
Bye-bye, fish.
Oh, look at them.
So lately, Porter and Emmett have been watching a lot of cast net videos, like from Raw Fam and Bass Fishing Productions, Paul Cufaro. So we got inspired, and that's why we ordered this. All right, we're coming back to the creek, and we're gonna try the cast net in the creek now. Looks like we have pretty good current going on.
Oh.
All right, this looks like a good spot in the creek right under the bridge. I can see a turtle under there. Maybe we'll get him.
Go.
That was okay. Wait. Porter, look.
Yeah.
Porter, look.
What fish is that?
A little baby. We got one.
What fish is that?
It's a little baby bluegill. Look at that little thing.
It's blue.
Are you filming him?
Yes.
Here, look. Shoot, get him. All right, so we did end up catching one in the creek. He is slippery.
He is slippery.
Show us, Porter. So we caught this little baby bluegill
Always.
with the cast net and now throw him. Bye-bye. Well, that was the Amazon Basic Gear cast net. It's $20, 3 feet. We really enjoyed it for $20. Great for beginners, good for kids. Porter and I had a blast. We caught 7 fish in the pond. We caught 1 little fish in the creek. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time on our next crazy, famous 5 Amos adventure.
Get the thumbs up.
What do you have, Em?
Big one, come here. There.
Man. What's that one's name?
Biggie.
Biggie.
I'm a Diggy.
Oh, Diggy. Okay. I like that.
Diggy.
His name's Diggy. What you gonna catch?
This is the kitten.
Oh.
And this is Herman.
Herman. I like it.
Mommy. Monster.
And this is... Oh, now I remember.
Whoa.
You gotta turn it around.
Gotcha, buddy. Ow! They have sharp. Ow!
They have sharp fins.
I got looking here. It's okay. This one don't.
Whoa. Yeah, that one's a little bit smaller. Whoops. Slippery things.
Wow. Cut the ball.
No way. Might be snakes.
Oh, I got it. A nut. A neck.
A snake. Yeah, we don't want to get bit by any snakes. Pretty. There's a doggy there. You have to say hello.
Oh, at the eye. That's
Oh, it's a good cast.
Oh, good day,
Yeah. Oh, you turn it on. Look, it's looking at you. Beautiful girl.
I can fish them there. Look.
Ready for round 2 months?
Look at the river. There is a beach that. Hey, Daddy.